Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the reference ID printed in the gift card email or in your Amazon wallet. Once found, write down the order number and purchase date so you can cross-check quickly. Make sure the reference ID is not confused with the claim code. One is for tracking while the other redeems value. If you bought multiple cards, label each reference ID to avoid mix-ups. Now that you have those details, move to verifying the card status in account settings. You then log into your Amazon account and navigate to Gift Cards Manage Balances to verify status. Once there, match the reference ID to the transaction row to see if it's pending, redeemed, or refunded. This determines what you do next. If it's pending, wait for processing. If it's redeemable, enter the claim code at Redeem Gift Card and confirm the balance updates. If you don't see the transaction, use the account order history to search by purchase. To finish, confirm the gift card balance at checkout and reconcile it with your purchase records. If the reference ID is missing or the balance doesn't reflect, first recheck the original email and any alternate buyer accounts. Sometimes the ID is under a different profile. If that fails, contact Amazon support and provide the reference ID, order number, payment method, and screenshots so they can trace the transaction. Keep the support case number and verify the resolved balance before completing purchases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.